Me nah lie. Trinidad is a minefield, dog. Trinidad, serious piece of rich badness a go on there, so. Now, me I tell you the story about Kyle. I him fling me some youth, Tinman and another youth, but him also, if you remember, me do the video pan Waka, Dan Murder, and them say him get the order from Sunday to do the murder. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, Karma G5, big up yourself every time. Yo, mommy over England, big up yourself. Country girl, big up yourself. Everybody big up on yourself. See? Countryman love, you know. Now, me I telling about Kyle, Cocky Boss, and Tinman. But that story also involves 6 Dan, Robo. Me can't even remember all of the man them name. But Trinidad have a, I don't know how to put it. Trinidad have a strange kind of badness. I wanna go see in that story at the blow. Me never see nothing like this. Let's go. Now, straight from the jump, me I make you know say yo, a Tinman friend them killing. And I couldn't understand. Me still have problem I understand why them killing. But them end up killing when him go check him girl or drop off a girl and some man spot him and then the man them make a call and me I tell you know who the man them. Now there's many players in this Tinman, Kyle, even Trinidad Zeeks, Sunday and 6 Dan is mixed up in this piece of blender you have to blow out. Me I try break it down for you, yo. So you know, have to bear with me. Alright? Let's go. You have Sunday and 6 Dan. So you know say Sunday and 6 Dan them a war from a longer time. Then you also have Kyle. And Kyle is a 7. I want to follow me, you know. Sunday and 6 Dan a war. But we also have Kyle, who is a number 7. Some kind of way, Kyle link with Tinman them, and they make half a 6 Dan. As far as Mike lead tell me. Now, with saying that, Tinman, he was a shooter for Bombay from long time and enough man offer him. With that said again, Tinman get taken out by a member of his sec, which is the 9 sec, because a lot of people was carrying grievance for Tinman. So, on the same day where Cocky dead, Tinman was seen coming from the area where Kyle live. You know what I'm saying? I guess him go up there from where me here to check. A female is always a girl, the man them I go check when them get wiped out to blow out. Now, when the man them see, the man them call SpongeBob. And SpongeBob, I just a show you how this thing crazy, you know. SpongeBob is related to 6 Dan. SpongeBob and 6 Dan, which is Tyson, is cousin. They first cousin. So I want to get that. Now, SpongeBob, him call Robo. And Robo, him did have a team on the road in a place named John. I guess the whole of know John. And the team where Robo have, them take out Tinman. And that's how Tinman get killed. Now, listen. I just explain that. And only hear how much player in a this a Sydney or Trinidad, dog. This shit is like a minefield. It's like every man a link. If you notice, Kyle is a 7, but him link with certain Muslim sect. You understand? Which is 9. And Kyle is always involved somehow with this thing. Another thing where we notice, Sunday is also linked in this thing big time, because Sunday name was also called in the Wakodan killing along with Kyle. So Sunday, him a miss a press button, that's the Trinidad Zeeks. He must stop press the man them button for do certain things. We just want to show you how this is confusing. Now, Tinman dead. And when Tinman died, Tinman soldier them get upset. And pretty much Kyle tell them say, since Tinman dead, I must Cocky set him up and Cocky do it because Cocky is a 6. And him know say Cocky link with 6 Dan. Now there was a peace meeting, when Kyle and the man them and everybody come to peace. But me just show you how the man them flip flop. So Kyle pretty much convinced Tinman soldier them to go kill Cocky Boss. So Cocky Boss in this whole saga end up became Collateral Damage. Yo, I hope I explain this thing. This thing is so confusing. It make my head hurt. And that's how Cocky Boss was dead. May I try go now quick synopsis. Tinman get taken out by member of the 9 sect, which that was triggered because of the history of Tinman and Bombay doing things within their sect, so they're beefing amongst each other. Now, Kyle, he is a 7, you understand? And what he did, he instigated a lot of the thing that going on between 6 Dan and the rest of man them. Now, Tinman was spotted in a certain area and Kyle alerted certain man. The man there link SpongeBob. SpongeBob is cousin to 6 Dan. I want to know follow me though. Then SpongeBob link Robo. Robo did have a team. The man them work better than police in a dog. In the area which take out Tinman. When Tinman dead, Kyle said, yo, a Cocky do it. Tinman soldier them. As usual, man and man flex without any investigation. Boom, run in and kill Cocky Boss. And that's how Cocky Boss and Tinman dead on the same day. Yo, my head hurt me. I hope you understand this thing, yo. Cause this shit here in Trinidad doesn't make sense. The man them need to put on the gun, dog, and put on the fuckery. Straight up. But yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. It's really sad when you look on all the mix up with the man them. The man them a fight a losing battle, and I hope the man them can change, yo. I'm out.